What's the meaning of calumny? Calumny. Calumny.
Calumny. Calumny. Calumny is a false and malicious statement that is intended to damage someone's reputation. It is a form of defamation that can cause irreparable harm to a person's personal and professional life. Calumnious statements can be spread quickly and easily in the age of social media, leading to widespread public shaming and loss of credibility. Victims of calumny may experience emotional distress, financial losses, and damage to their relationships. In extreme cases, calumny can even ruin a person's career or lead to legal consequences. As such, it is important to always verify the accuracy of information before spreading potentially damaging rumors.